it's time to divide rational expressions. Now, if you didn't love multiplication, you're definitely not going to like division, but I'm sure you loved it, so we're going to love this too. All right. So really, the first things first here, if it's division, when we're dividing with fractions, you can change it to multiplication by doing the reciprocal of the second one. So let's just do that right off the bat before we even factor. All right, so I got 2x squared plus 13x plus 6. We've got the 8x squared minus 2. That stays the same, but now this is going to become 6x squared plus 18x over 3x squared plus 27x plus 54. All right, I like it. Cool. Now we can get to factoring, okay? So let's do that. The top one on the left there, that's going to be rainbow method. We're going to have 2x and x. It's factoring with the lead coefficient. But we can also do this with guess and check. I'm going to do guess and check right now instead of the rainbow method. All right, so it's got to multiply to 6. So it's either 1 and 6 or 2 and 3. I got to add to 13 here. So why not this? If I were to, I know they're both going to be positive because it's positive 6 and positive 13, right? Now, 2 times 6 would give me 12, and then 1 times x would give me 1x. That's 12x, that's 1x, that adds to 13x. So this is the factored form by doing guess and check, okay? I look and I have to kind of multiply it back together, the outer and the inner, to see if it adds to the 13x when I pick my two numbers that multiply to 6. If you don't like that method, rainbow method's totally fine, all right? Next one, I've got 2 can come out, and I got x squared minus 1, or sorry, 4x squared minus 1. And then, let's see here, numerator, I've got a 6x can come out, so I've got x plus 3. All right, and then down here, looks like I can take out a 3, and then I'm left with x squared plus 9x plus 18. All right, so it looks like we still have some factoring to do here. My numerator is all set. Actually, both numerators are totally set. All right. And actually what we could do here is, because this is all multiplication, I can even just continue that as like one big fraction if you'd like. Now down here, I'm going to have a difference of two squares actually. So 4 is a perfect square, x squared is a perfect square, and 1 is a perfect square. So it's going to be 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. And then my denominator, I've got the 3, and then we have, let's see here, multiplies to 18, adds to 9. That would be 6 and 3. Okay, now it's time to cancel. All right. It looks like we got the 2x plus 1s. We've got x plus 3. We've got x plus 6. Now, this 2 and 3 would become 6, right? And that'll cancel, boom, all those, because 2 times 3 is 6. So those end up canceling each other out. My numerator, I'm only left with x, and my denominator is just 2x minus 1. That is it for that one. Woo! That was a beast. That was an absolute beast. I hope you guys loved it, because I did.